Hey guys, welcome to Canadian Rust. I'm here to start my 1968 Fargo d100. It's pretty much a Dodge d100, but Canadian made. It's filled with junk right now. Pretty much haven't started all winter. It's kind of been a gloomy winter, but here we go. This video first has to be for Tracy Wagers. Guy's been commenting the same stuff for over a year, I'm pretty sure. So first half's gonna be no pumping, no gas down the thing, no nothing, just cranking it over until I destroy my starter, which apparently he wants, and I'm okay with that because we're putting the 3.8. Oh my god, I haven't opened this for so long. There we go. So I looked back on the videos. It's been like 7 months since I started this. Didn't disco the battery terminal. That's good. They're tight. Well, that one's not tight, but all right. This thing's got a full 12 volts. We're gonna crank it until this thing dies for our boy Tracy. Then after that, I'll hook it to the Optima and we'll get it started. All right, hold on. All right, we got it hooked up. We're gonna do the old battery test, make sure it's. But first, I just been storing junk in here. We'll just move that stuff down. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's a jack stand, some brake parts. That's okay. Jack stand. I've been busy. I don't know, just kind of been a gloomy winter for the guy. All right, battery check. Let's see what we got. See, that's why I've learned over the years not even bother get in the truck. Check. All right. Sorry, Tracy. Doesn't sound like this is gonna last very long, buddy. But we'll give her our best shot. All right, let's try this out. No pumping. Just cranking her over for you, Tracy. It's gonna take a while for the gas to get up there. Hold on a second. Sorry about that. Sun came out. It's not gonna do anything, man. But I hope you're getting what you wanted. No choke, no nothing, just cranking this poor thing. Let's give you an outside view of it. All right, outside view, couple cranks. I don't know, Tracy. I don't know how much this thing's got left in her. She's trying. Like, I can't believe that it's going that long. Good for it. Yeah, I don't know what like these guys are talking about that starters on Dodges are crap, because this thing is just, it's the all-star, if anything. If Dodge starters can't handle cranking, this thing's an all-star. Because, go back to the videos, boys. This thing don't quit. The Dolphin don't quit. Oh, there it is, Trace. She's done, bud. I'll give it right to the end. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. This next half is going to be me actually trying to start it. All right. Let's hook up some jumpers and get this bad boy started. Part 2. Okay. Welcome to part 2, ladies and gentlemen. There's going to be plenty of pumping the pedal. Might have to pour some gas down the throat. We're just going to play it by ear. Come on. It's been 7 months. What can I say? Fuel pump might be shot. Lots of rubber things might be shot from the E80, you know, the ethanol in our fuel. Because ethanol is so great. You know what they need to do is make like ethanol friendly carb kits. That'd be cool. Alright, this isn't working. We're gonna give her a little gas down the throat. Give me one moment. Alright, a little bit of gas down the throat there. Pump, pump. Need more gas down the throat? Needs more gas down the throat. Alright, more gas. Choke on. I wonder if we got spark. Should have popped off by now. Alright, well, that was a fail. I'm gonna have to check for spark and whatnot. I don't quit that easy, but if it doesn't start, I'm gonna have to do that. Well, bummer. Maybe more gas. Alright, just poured the rest of the gas down the throat. Wasn't a lot, but it's quite a bit. I don't think we have a spark, ladies and gentlemen. That's the first time this truck's never started. Alright. Well, I guess the next video is going to be figuring out why it's not starting. Thanks for coming along. Like and enjoy. All that. Subscribe. Hopefully this summer I'm going to get back to it. We're going to have a lot of fun this summer. Thanks for watching. Later.